The winner of the Bowerman is Jaydon Hibbert.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow athletes, wagwan! Firstly, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to God. Without his guidance, strength, and blessings, none of this would have been possible. I am truly humbled and thankful for the talents he has bestowed upon me, and I will always give him the glory because he was and is and will forever be my rock, guiding shield on this incredible journey. This moment is truly a dream come true, and I could say that it definitely made up for what happened in Budapest. As I look on the surface of this prestigious award, I see a reflection of a kid that God did not and will not give up on, and is also a reminder of how he can transform you from nothing to something great. I want to thank the organizers and the committee members of the Bowerman for their efforts in using their platform to recognize the most decorated athletes in collegiate track and field. The dedication of showcasing our talents is truly appreciated and is commendable.